Hey YouTube, Kim Brzalik here. I've bits and bobbles. The last video I showed a bunch of new stuff, and I went ahead and cleaned up what I think are gauge pins. But if a set of gauge pins has one of each size, then a bunch of sets are orphaned out there because I have a lot of the same sizes, but they've all been cleaned up, degreased. I got some WD-40 sprayed on them, and I did have one tool that I found in the bunch, and that is this one. Get that cleaned up a little bit, get the cat hairs off of it. Okay, where's it at? Nice chamfering tool. But I have set it up, and did a little facing. So let's see. I chamfered it, but let's go ahead and take a little off the diameter. I got 10 thousandths dialed in. I'm going to go up to 600 RPMs, maybe a little stronger. Let's call it 666. How's that? 668. It's on auto feed, 10 thousandths of an inch. Breaking a nice chip for aluminum. I'm going to go ahead and back that off. I'm setting the dial back to 10 thousandths. Let's see where we're at on there. So I obviously lost some in backlash. Let me back it off. Removing the oil, we're going to call that 0. I'm going to reset, so I have 10 thousandths here, the 10 thousandths shoulder. So I'm going to dial in 20 thousandths, and we'll be doing 30 thousandths when we hit that shoulder. Little chatter, because I'm a little long also. Chatter's diminishing. We're going for 30 thousandths at this shoulder. Still breaking a nice chip for aluminum. Listen to me, I have no idea what I'm talking about. There is a lot of chatter in there. You can hear it. If I had some support out here, we'd probably do better. But really, well, you know what? The tool wasn't even tightened down. Let's run that again. We're going to find a 0. And make sure the tool's tight. I'm going to call that 0. I'm going to dial in 30 thousandths. 28, 29 and a half, 30. And get some lubrication on there. Get our RPMs up. Okay, gonna walk it in from here. That's much better. Still got a little chatter out here. Let's see what I can do here. I already got overshot it. Let's get a new 0 and just do a really light cut. See if we can't clean up that chatter. Okay, that's a 0. I'm just gonna do 10 thousandths. And there's 10. There's the auto feed. $650 RPMs. And this looks very clean, sounds a lot better. The machine feels better. Breaking the chip. I like this tool. That's nice. Okay, guys, hit the like button. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Love you all.